Hi everybody, hope you're having a great day. I'm going to go through how to build another algo. This one, it's similar to something I've shown in the past, but I keep getting questions about this. How do I build repeating algos? Algos that continue to put orders in. By default, ADL order blocks are kind of one and done. They kind of put it in order, and then once that order is done, they're not going to repeat unless you do a trigger of some sort that's going to tell it to go ahead and repeat again. So I'm going to set a trigger using a generator block to show you what I mean by that. And what I'm going to do, this algo is going to be, I'm going to use Solana at Coinbase, and every time the bid quantity gets below a threshold or gets above a threshold of, let's say, 30 or 20 or something like that, I'm going to go ahead and join the bid. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. This isn't a trading strategy. I'm not recommending anything like that. This is just some tricks on how to use ADL to build algos. So I need Solana, so I'm going to put it in an instrument block. I'm going to take Solana at Coinbase, just like that. I'm going to need the bid quantity and the bid price. So this is going to be set to bid price. This is going to be set to bid quantity. Connect these guys just like that. Just like that. It should match up what we have over an MD Trader. An MD Trader might look a little funky right now, the prices, because it is set to only show available prices, which is kind of works really well in crypto land because prices can move around so much. And you get a lot of gaps. This takes a gap out of the marketplace as well too. So anyway, back to the algo. So what I said was if the bid quantity, let's say, gets above 20. So I'm going to put in a number block of 20 and use that as my threshold. And let's call this my threshold. So I'm going to say thresh 20, make that a user define. I'm going to use a greater than block. So the bid quantity gets above 20. Just like that. I want to go ahead and join the bid. This is the bid price. So I'm going to call it my bid price. Just like that. Now I'm going to need a generator block. The generator block, I'm going to set this to switch. Every time this is true, I'm going to want to join the bid. So I'm going to flip this down to bool true, just like that. I'm going to run this down into it, just like that. I'm going to get a discrete order block. Leave it at bid. And for the instrument, I'm going to put a jump block in here and run that over. So I don't have another connector line running all the way across my algo. Just like that. I'm going to put this generator block into here, just like this. And now for my formulas, I need formulas. And remember, with the discrete order block, we always have to have a price and a quantity. So I'm going to put those in. And for my price, I'm going to put, what do I call that at bid price. And for my quantity, I'm going to put at order quantity. Order quantity, right? Did I put in a quantity block? I didn't put in a quantity block yet, so I'm going to cancel out of this and put in a quantity. My quantity is going to be 1. Call this my order quantity. Or quantity. I'll make that a user-defined variable. So now I've got enough information to put into my discrete order block because I have a order price, which is going to be the bid price, and an order quantity. So let's pipe those into the formulas now. For price, it's going to be at symbol, and it's the bid price, right? I'll join the bid. My quantity is going to be the order quantity. And order quantity, just like that. Select, okay. So we have those in there. This should run just fine now. And I'm going to go ahead and kick it off. And I should see bids jumping in here every time the bid quantity gets above 20. So let's see what happens. Oh, I got to put an account in. Which reminds me I should do it over here as well too. So what's my account? My account is 048049. I got to make sure my MD Trader set to that too so I can see it. So order quantity panel. Account is 048049, just like I wanted. So now it should work. I click on the play, and now it just put an order in. So every time now my order quantity gets above 20, I'm going to join a bid. And you can see I've already bought some. So as that order quantity gets big, I'm going to just join and keep joining that bid. And you can see I've got a quantity of 6 now, 8, and I can put limits on this. I'll put a limit on it that actually stop at 20, but I'll show you that in a different video. But that's how to have a repeating order. Now every time my condition is met, I'm putting in a new order, as you can see. So real easy, real simple. The real key to it was using a generator block and setting that to Boolean true. So every time my trade logic, my idea, my trade idea, thought, whatever I want to do, strategy, became true, I put it in a new order. So that's how you do it. That's the way to do a repeating order in ADL. Hopefully you enjoy. If you have any questions, send them along. Thanks and have a great day.